Hi guys, it's me again, Reg. Just thought I'd pop in and say hello again. We're on, where are we? Yeah, we're on January the 9th. I thought I'd stop off on the way home. As you can see, we've got a nice little park area, which is actually en route to me getting home every night. Now, as you know, if we refer back to our black seed oil, I'm working quite hard on my ankle right now, and I'm hoping by the end of this week that I will be jogging around this lake. I'm going to stop off on the way home, hopefully. There's a footpath all the way around it, and hopefully I can have a nice gentle jog and break myself in by the end of the week, but we will see. Right, the other reason I've stopped off is if you've been watching the news, across Central and Eastern Europe at the moment, the weather conditions are quite horrific. People are dying. I believe there's even snow on the beaches of Kefalonia. Now, as you can see, we've got some lovely wildlife, and I think what everybody should do is go out into the back garden, fill up your bird feeders, make nice little habitats for your hedgehogs and your tortoises. If you have foxes, give them somewhere to go, give them some sanctuary. Winterproof your garden, winterproof your house. So obviously you don't want no freeze-ups. And winterproof your garden. Let's help nature, because if it goes to plan, by Thursday they will not be able to find any food. So go down your local park, save your bread, save your peas, save your sweet corn, and then pop down your local park and feed the ducks and feed the geese and anything else that you've got hanging around, because they won't be able to fend for themselves. There's nothing on the trees, and they won't be able to get to the ground. So this is where you can do your thing. This is where you can help nature. And enjoy doing so. Take your cameras, get some wonderful shots. You never know, you might get that once in a lifetime shot. Right, so I'm going to leave you with a picture of the lake, and I will speak to you again soon. So look after yourselves, look after each other. If you make it through to tomorrow, enjoy tomorrow. Bye for now.